Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of this situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Gunesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 9. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphan Hanja learned at an early age to fight against life challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanja is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. Number 8. Inji Tane Lady. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and two children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between two four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and to sit on the dinner table with them again. But this will not be easy at all. When he was imprisoned, his children were taken under state protection, and from there they were adopted by different families. When he gets out of prison, he spends the first night in a nasty hotel which he would normally never choose. Number 7. Sakla Beni. Mete and Naz, born into affluent and influential families, are bound together by a promise made during their childhood. This promise stems from a tragic incident where Naz's innocence was compromised and Mete's family offered unwavering support. As they grow older, their relationship becomes a roller coaster of heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Mete, deeply committed to keeping the childhood promise, returns from studying abroad to marry Naz. However, fate intervenes when he crosses paths with Injila, Naz's loyal servant. Injila, who has found a family within Naz's household after a troubled past, accidentally becomes a pivotal figure in the upholding drama. Number 6. Shahane Hayatam. From the shimmering skyline of Dubai to the sun-soaked shores of Miami, Shahane Hayatam follows the journey of Shabnam, an anti-heroine born from adversity who claws her way to the top of society's ladder. Shabnam was a scholarship kid attending an elite school where she was bullied by rich students' parents and even some of her teachers. Despite her brains, no one thought she would make it to their low level, but with the dash of plastic surgery and unwavering ambition, Shabnam sees the ultimate prize: a wealthy husband named Onur, their union promising luxury, privilege, and envy of all who bear witness. However, the illusion crumbles when the ghosts of Shabnam's past resurface, threatening her picture perfect existence. Number 5. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Munawwar, as burdens as the wedding dress she is said to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secrets of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star Kenan Akin takes center stage not just on the glimmering sky screens but also in his own solitude and the addiction he cannot escape. Yet neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him, his mother Keriman Akin. Number 4. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 3. Yabani. Yabani follows the remarkable journey of Ali, who was abducted as a boy and ended up working for the gang that kidnapped him. After enduring years of hardship, Ali renames himself Yaman and escapes his captor to build a new, better life together with his 3 children. Things are not easy for this new family, but they work hard to and are able to leave their dark past behind. Through it all, Yaman somehow manages to keep his soul pure and never succumbs to the darkness that surrounds him. Things get complicated when Yaman meets Ruya, a beautiful girl from the rich side of town. Her boyfriend nearly overdosed, and it's up to Yaman to save him. He delivers Ruya's boyfriend to his mother, who is a senior physician. Later, after the boyfriend beats up Yaman's best friend in retaliation for exposing his drug problem to his mother, Yaman goes to his home to take revenge. That is when Yaman realizes that Ruya's boyfriend is his brother and he is actually Ali Soisalan, the boy who was kidnapped 15 years ago. Number 2. Bambashka Biri. Bambashka Biri tells the powerful story of famous anchorman Kenan and ambitious prosecutor Leila, who cross paths during a murder investigation and become invented in a relationship filled with mystery, tension, and passion. As murky revelations emerge from the past, they are confronted with shocking truths that change them forever. The serial killer case hits the headlines thanks to the coverage by Kenan, who, like Leila, goes in pursuit of the killer. As the investigation deepens, Leila realizes that the case is inextricably linked with dark incidents long hidden in her family that will come back to haunt them all. Number 1. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.